Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to our fans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 2, CS Galaxy 0. I'm joined by the Vanderpool.
Vanderpool, the only one. Can't get to Lakala, the only one in town. The one man in Champions and next to airport.
Yes!
Sibo, you know what? To win. Points. There's no reason. You can score rugby scores 18 or 20 or something.
Like Pirates.
One thing is very important. It's only 3 points.
Yes.
I just want to tell you something. You can score high score like maybe you are playing in volleyball or you are playing in cricket or rugby. But what we want is just only 3 points.
That's it.
So there is Abosakeu. Bebale Pesu. Abosakeu now. It's a Zakeu. Bebahlalele phezu komuntu sathi Zakeu yehla Zakeu yehla la uhleli khona Zakeu akufanelanga yehla awuZakeu wathi yimi sabuya sibonile bekudlala boyfriend ne girlfriend mabezowina 5 wathi wena ngaki 6 hayi le 5 ufuna le 5 bekudlala boyfriend ne girlfriend bebadlala boyfriend ne girlfriend you understand sathi thina lalela sathi thina asingeni indawo besazi ukuthi the rich boys they're gonna do job and bayenzile umsebenzi bashaya isibani the rich boys now uZakeu uyehlila ngisho usazophinda ayehle Zakeu uyayedla uZakeu
bawina namhlanje bayangayitsheli bazogibela number 2 basazoya ku number 9 number 9